Alright, so here's a bit of an unboxing of the Hardkorr awning. So it comes with these two brackets. I'm not sure if I'll need them yet, because the Norwell canopy does come with some stuff. A wiring plug. I didn't think it comes with lights, maybe it does. Some ropes, some pegs, some guide ropes, and that's it. Alright, I wonder how I'm going to do this. So it's going to go on the passenger side, and I'll probably just measure it up so you can see the Norwell brackets go there and again up here. So I'll probably just get everything loosely fitting and then nip it all up once I get it up there so I can move it around. See if I can find some instructions for this. There's nothing here yet, so we'll see how we go. Alright, so here's what I've done so far. These are the Norwell supply brackets. So I just played around a bit to get the channels to work with the brackets. So as you can see, I've missed these two center holes, these two holes here, but I've got a double at the top, so I think that should be fine. And then just off centering there, and that's what's going to mount to the canopy. And I've got these so they point out on both ends, and here's the other end. So what I'm going to do now is measure the brackets up on the canopy and then make this distance match, and I'll probably go the inner brackets, see how we go there. So I'll try and line that up, but yeah, we'll give that a go now. Alright, it's all mounted up, so I'll run you through what I did and how I did it. There's a bit of a time lapse that I ran, so but pretty much there it goes through. That's the Norwell supplied bolts with the brackets. It is not the best design, but yeah. So there's the nuts down in there with the washers. And I just put washers behind these two because these holes are a bit larger. These are just a round hole, so it worked well. But yeah, so that's it. Measured equal distance from the front and the back, and hopefully it works out to be perfect with the gull wing door. We'll see how we go. I'll have to fix that another day if I do. But that's them. 4 down in there, 4 up the back. Bit of a pain in the ass. It took a fair while, so definitely recommend doing it with a mate if you can. I just wanted to get it done, so I just did it. But yeah, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, I'm not too happy about that washer there. I'm gonna have to back that one off and fix it. The other one's good, but all right guys, we've been using the awning for a little while now, so we're doing just a bit of a review. So we'll set it up and I'll run you through some things that we've had issues with and how we think the overall product's going. But yeah, we'll get into it, we'll get it out and run you through it. So I've put zip ties on because I'm short and it makes it much easier for me. So I just hook it onto the snorkel bracket. So I just hook it onto the roof rack just on the side there. Just gives an even pull. Try and not have a pull on an angle. I always have an even pull, sort of a straight direct line. And that's it, pretty easy to set up. It does come with a stabilizing pole, which I haven't had to use yet. I've had it in some good wind, went up the beach with it. It was fine. And yeah, I really like it. It's really good. It produces plenty of shade for us. We've used it a couple of times camping now. The only issue we had with it was this light. This light was faulty. We'll put a picture in. But what they did was when they put the screw through the side to mount it, it actually pierced through the light and shorted it out, which caused the problem. So Hardkorr, really good. I got onto them. They sent me out a brand new light straight away, and then I soldered it in myself, and there's no dramas there. We'll give you a bit of a quick look what the lights look like. Bit of a mess in here. So it does come with a bag and pretty much, so your wire for your lights, a couple of pegs and then an awning rope. rope to tie it down if you ever do need to, but it is rated for 40 knots, so I haven't had to do that yet. I'll just shut that up. So we bought this companion from Anaconda when we went on our first trip with the swags, and I think it's really good. It runs the fridge pretty much 2 days. We get running the fridge and using lights, and there's no issues. And then our XTM solar panel, it's about 120 watts, I think. It charges it back up within a day with full sun whilst the fridge is still running, so it works really well. Alright, so so yeah, with the lights, you just, I think it's number 2 is orange, makes an orange light, and then number 1's your white light on your switch. And then there's 3 of them, so they all independently work on their own switches. That one's wide back to front. And that's what they look like. So that's it. It comes with Velcro the whole way around the outside, so you can put awning walls on if you do want, even across the car. As you can see, it gives us full coverage right across the front of the car and goes all the way around the back, and works really well to keep us out of that sun when we're camping. I'm really happy with it. It's got plenty of tie down points for water runoff as well. I think it's a good purchase product. I have heard they're made in the same factory as the Bushwhacker, so the Bushwhacker walls would work if you do want to buy them and do that. But for us, I don't think we need them yet. Maybe we'll buy one wall just when that sun's in that wrong direction. But as you can see, there's a bit of wind now and it's not moving at all really. It's really solid built. It will get a bit of a sway about it, but it is rated to 40 knots. And with the way it's mounted on the canopy, it's not going anywhere. But yeah, I really like it. It's doing the job that we need it to do, and it's quick and easy to set up, as you saw in the video. I am a bit short, which makes it a bit of a pain, but I'm sure I'll work out a better way to do it as we start using it more. But yeah, the quality of the product is good. Some nice hardcore details in the bracketry and stuff as well. But yeah, if you got any questions or queries, pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. But
do you know how much it was?
The awning cost us $1,500, and we got it from Outback Equipment. Outback Equipment's been really good with us. They've supplied most of the accessories that we've put on the car. We have paid for everything. We're not sponsored by anyone, so this is an honest review. We're not sponsored by Hardkorr, and we weren't given the awning for free to run. We did pay full price for it. But yeah, that's it. There's not much more you can say about it. It's got all the things you need on an awning. You can buy extra awning support legs if you want. So they sort of just come out. So this is where this one was supplied. It's a twist mechanism, I think. And you just slide it down and then lock it in place. So that there, even if I push that up a bit, that's taken that bit of flex out of the awning anyway, so it's not going anywhere. Got a little pin to go on the ground. And yeah, that flex I did before is sort of gone a little bit with that up like that. And there's brackets to put extras of them up anywhere you want. You just bolt them in place. It's only supplied with the one. All the tie down rings on the outside. So there's one off each arm for the rope to attach to and tie down. All right, thanks for watching this one, guys. Hopefully you got something out of this, and if you are looking for a 270 awning, you'll go down the Hardkorr path. Like I said, value for money, it's definitely there. Rigid, strong, rated to 40 knots in the wind. I don't think you can go wrong with this for 1,500 bucks. If you do have any more questions or queries or want to know anything, pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. But thanks for watching this one, guys, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. And hopefully the van will be here soon and we'll be able to get out and start camping more, because we do know the channel's getting a bit cruiser orientated, but it is what it is. We're waiting for this van and hopefully we get it soon, and we can get out there and start exploring. But we'll see you next time, guys, and thanks for watching this one. Release the ratcheting mechanism for the ropes. There's a little button just in here, so you just push on that and you just pull the rope through. So I just wind them all the way back out. Makes it easier the next time you set it up.